Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Ventera pork schnitzel German style. So we've got everything that we need here. We have got 1/3 cup of cooking oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, a microwave safe bowl, a plate, scissors to open all this stuff up, your schnitzel, tongs, a spatula, and a cooking pan. So first things first, let's take all of our stuff out of our little package here. We have got the breading packet that we're gonna put on our plate. Then we have a sauce packet that's gonna go in our bowl. And then we have our pork schnitzel. So what we're gonna do with this first is cut a little corner of this off so that it can vent. And then we're gonna just pop this in the microwave for 1 minute. All right guys, our pork has just come out of the microwave. There's a lot of extra liquid in here, so we're just gonna drain that off first. Next, let's go ahead and open up our breading and just put that on our plate. Spread that around so that it covers most of the plate. And then while we're doing that, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our pan to medium-high. And in our pan, we already have our olive oil or cooking oil, whatever you choose to use. I'm gonna take a couple of these out just to cook right now, and I'm just gonna plop them right into my breading and get a really good coating on there. All right, we've got these all ready to go. We're just gonna put them directly into our pan. Now that they're in the pan, we're gonna let them go for around 2 minutes on each side. All right, while we're waiting on those to cook in our pan, we're just gonna go ahead and cut off the corner of our sauce packet, and you're gonna place that in your microwave safe bowl. Just make sure that it won't leak all over everywhere. We're gonna put this in the microwave for 1 minute and 40 seconds. All right, while these are still cooking, there's about a minute left or so. I'm just gonna push down gently because the center of these is not touching our pan. So I just want that to make sure that it will get nice and brown on all sides. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip these over. Just gently do that. There we go. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just gently kind of press down so that the middle gets browned as well. All right, our sauce is ready in here, so grab that out, be careful. This is definitely why you wanna put it in a microwave safe bowl because it did leak out a little bit, but we're just gonna set that off to the side and wait for our cutlets to be ready. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been the 2 minutes on this side, so our little schnitzel patties are done. We're gonna go ahead and put those on the plate. And now we're just gonna take our sauce and just gently pour that over however much you want. And our schnitzel is ready to go. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. In the meantime though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.